Hello everyone, how is it going? We are back with another fix for your Xerox machines. As you can see, the copy function is dead in the water. Press and hold 0 for 10 seconds. At 10 seconds, keep holding and press start. It is the green button. Enter 6789 and confirm. Press machine status button. Touch tools. Under feature, scroll to maintenance/diagnostics. Touch NVM read/write. Enter code 744220, then confirm. Enter 0 for new value, save and exit. While we wait, please help my channel to grow by subscribing and like my video, thanks. Leave your questions in the comment section and also let others know if this works for you. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.